All right, here we go, new route. Starting out in Mattapan, Morton Street. Morton and Norfolk Street we're getting on right now. It's got a nice layout here. Let's check it out. See how much the surface condition can really impact things. Mattapan to Dorchester, Codman Square. Nice pivot. This is a great road to ride, but as usual, the surface can certainly make it less enjoyable. In the Mattapan neighborhood of Boston, Mass. Scooting over to Dorchester, Codman Square. All right, Mattapan to Dorchester, Woodrow and Norfolk. Look at this. With the new surface, I tell you, it makes all the difference. You know, the markings and the colors and all that got to get out here good. But the surface changes everything. I just saw this guy come off Woodrow. Oh. Yep, see, no markings. He's on the sidewalk. You know, if there were markings, I'm not saying he would be out here, but maybe he would, if you could see him. And it's almost over. All right, there you go. Mattapan to Dorchester, Codman Square.